Hello everyone, I'm your teacher from DET Practice. Today, we're going to break down a DET Writing Sample question. For this task, you have just 5 minutes to write a detailed response, so every second counts. The prompt for today is, what's one healthy food you think we should eat more often? What stops people from eating it? How would eating more of it help us? To help you get a high score, we'll focus on 3 key areas. First, the best approach to structure your answer. Second, how to use more specific vocabulary. And third, how to build complex sentences. First, let's talk about the approach. This is a 3-part question, and you must answer all 3 parts clearly. The best structure is a logical flow. Start by naming the healthy food. Then discuss the obstacles or reasons why people avoid it. Finally, explain the significant benefits of eating it more often. For our example today, let's choose a simple but powerful food: lentils. Second, let's upgrade our vocabulary. Using precise words makes your writing sound more advanced. Instead of just saying lentils are good, you could describe them as a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber. When explaining the obstacles, move beyond "people don't know how to cook them." A stronger phrase would be a lack of culinary familiarity, or you could mention the common perception that they are bland. For the benefits, use more specific expressions like improves digestive health or helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Third, let's build some complex sentences to show your language ability. Don't just write short, simple sentences like lentils are healthy, they have fiber. You should combine these ideas. For instance, try this. Lentils, which are incredibly rich in dietary fiber, are an excellent food for improving overall digestive health. Here's another powerful technique. You can connect the obstacle and the benefit in one sentence using the word while. For example, while many people avoid lentils due to their bland reputation, incorporating them into a diet can significantly boost nutritional intake. Now it's your turn to practice. Take exactly 5 minutes to write your own response to the prompt. Try to use the structure and the powerful language we just discussed. Please pause now. Welcome back. Remember, the goal isn't just to answer, but to answer well. Here is a high-scoring example that puts everything together. I believe we should incorporate more lentils into our daily diets. A significant deterrent for many people is the perception that they are time-consuming to prepare and have a bland taste. However, if more people understood their versatility, the health benefits would be substantial. As a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, lentils aid in digestion and help to maintain stable energy levels, ultimately contributing to better long-term wellness and disease prevention. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more writing exercises just like this one, log on to DETPractice.com now and claim your 3-day VIP trial. Start practicing smarter today.